Hello. Today we will compare delete, drop, and truncate. And let's start. What do we have in our table? Employees: Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Emma. And let's imagine Bob left the company, and we would like to remove only Bob from the employee table. For this task, we should use delete with where clause, just to filter the needed employee. And let's take a look at the result. We have 5 employees. Let's delete our Bob. Delete 1, okay, and just to double check. We don't have Bob anymore. Okay, but what if the development database needs to be emptied before running a new test, let's say? For this task, we can use delete as well, without where clause. And let's check. We don't have any data in our table. By the way, this is one of the most common mistakes, to forget where clause and simply delete all the data instead of just one row, for example. Okay, let's move on. Just to have data for our future requests. Let's add something. Okay, check-in. Here we are. And if we simply want the empty table, in case, for example, our team, QA team, reloads test data every morning, we can use truncate table. Let's check. And let's check what do we have in our table. Nothing. Actually, the result is the same for this query and this query. For both of them, the table remains, the columns remain, structure, all the tabs and whatever. Simply, we don't have any data. Usually, truncate is faster. That's why it is commonly used for test environments and staging databases. Okay, but let's imagine the application no longer needs the employees table. In such a case, we should use drop table. Let's check. If we use drop table, then the entire table disappears. And in our case, if we call employees, we have the error that we don't have any employees table, because the table simply doesn't exist anymore. So if you need to remove one row, use delete. If you want to empty the table, use truncate. And if you want to remove the table completely, use drop. As usual, the SQL scripts are available in the description. If this video helped you, please feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, or like. It helps a lot. Thank you so much. And see you soon.